What is going on, guys? Brandon here from RSK, bringing you another cracker of a video. We have GTR Festival today. It's freaking freezing again. I don't know if the Evo reveal that was cold. Sorry, the tune meet that was cold, but today's worst. I mean, it looks sunny. You can roughly tell. It's definitely not. It's cold. It's like, I think 11 or 12 degrees, which is pretty cold, and it's really windy. Alex is working. We'll check out some of the cars, and I'm getting cold right now, and I'll show you Executor because I have to. Executor is the goals right now, so let's get there and I'll show you what's going on. All right, so we've made it. I don't know, I need the sun in my face, but we just made it. So let's go check out some cars and we'll catch up with whoever's here, because I don't even know who's here yet. I just got up and basically got here as quick as I can. So check that out. Mad white R32 coming around the corner now too. Looks minty fresh. Look at the wheels. That's what I want. See, it's got dish. CE28. That's the wheels I want on an Evo. That's the setup. And it's sequential.
Okay, up next in the left lane, a very special car coming out now. MSM RH7 from Motorsport Mechanical.
Oh, look at
one of our Royal Street Gtrs here at Nitto Performance Engineering GTR Festival at Sydney Dragway. Very fast car. This is competing in the same
want to see an Evo now.
Really? Let's go.
First Evo has been spotted. Oh, look at the twist mount on the turbo. Jesus.
11, 10, 9 second range where big sticky tyres can be a big disadvantage on the start gear change if you don't bring first gear's neck hard enough.
That's of its tits.
Off the engine.
Wow.
Takes a little bit to get right.
Well, my Evo sucks. R34 Ner. So clean.
Alright, first pass of the day now, king 32.
What is it? Active Aero? Active Aero? Is that what you said? First ever R32 Active Aero in Australia. Or maybe ever. I don't know. You would have seen it on one of our other videos. It was plain white. It was probably the cleanest R32 I'd ever seen. And now, it's been gutted completely. Still got the same motor and everything, but just all the aero parts to match. This is Reaper. This colour is sick. Can you imagine an Evo this colour? Ooh. Oh, I've seen this one. Oh, this is in our other video as well.
Oh my god.
I think in the last video we called this the Hulk because it had the green colour. Insane. Oh, look at that. It's a little spoolie for an RB anyway.
For king 32. And a big pedal to stop it from smashing down. That takes it out. And launching duties.
That's clean. That's probably like a normal turbo for this car, and it looks tiny compared to all the other ones.
When your engine is too small to make boost on your
So
turbo,
freaking tidy.
to bring it up with the trans brake.
There's so many more R34s here than R32s this year, which is pretty crazy. Didn't expect there to be this many 34s.
So that's rolled the beams. Still the theme of the
Original GTR. Oh, that's Billet. Billet's a red one. Probably would have seen that as well. Might have to go over to there. All the OG GTRs are looking clean.
The Mitsubishi Evo.
Oh, Mitsubishi Evo, I heard that. Oh. See, 28s again. That's what I want. Oh, Jesus. 80 HD 32, that's mad. The Don. Oh, those wheels are sick. Blue thing.
Blue one.
Yeah. It's a what?
Car. He's a famous Japanese racer.
Well, it's his kit.
And it's his.
That's so nice.
I don't think it is at all.
Come on, dude, show it.
Like at all.
We value.
So factory dash, if I can get it to focus. Was a digital dash factory in this Tommy Cara. Not a fan of the body kit, but it's not everyone's cup of tea. No. You're saying mint? No. 50th anniversary GTR R35. Look, still yet to see an Evo. I've seen one. I know it's GTR Festival, but I need to see more. I know Executor's here, and I need to see that too. But it's probably out on the track. 33? Oh, there's the same wheels! So apparently these wheels are more expensive than my car, and my car is expensive, so that's expensive. Another 34, that's clean. R34 GTR, probably some rare plates to have. Oh, Pulsar GTR. Now we'll just keep going around, looking at all these. Oh, seen a lime green R32, 32 Hulk, of course. See, said Hulk to that green one before. This is the real Hulk. Look at it. Not factory color, obviously, but looks pretty mental. Wow. Damn. Damn. This. Oh. Yes. Got the dumpy tip and shit. It's on bags. Look, it's sitting on the ground right now. This thing's got twin brakes on the back, and I'm pretty sure it's a 32. Twin brakes, twin exhaust on the back. That's got twin exhaust on the back. The exhaust on it. It's got two.
Yeah, it's a rare.
Instead of one. Zero R. I don't know if you guys can understand how loud this green car is. It's louder on this side than over there. 9.5, wow, and it freaking popped the wheelie too. Oh my god! Oh man, that again, you would have seen this last year, the S15 powered by a Corsa motor, so 5-cylinder. There it goes. Oh my god. .83. Holy shit. Here we go. Spool up, boys. Oh my god. Oh. Missed a gear. I still got a 10-2. Wow. Made up for it. Here we go. Oh my god, A1, holy. This is probably going to run a low 6 6. Oh my god. Pack performance. Oh, that's so loud. Here we go. Oh no. Oh no. Still ran at 7.8. Someone's just sitting on the grass. It's so clean. Now we're gonna grab something to eat because I'm dying now. I'm starving. It's so freaking windy. I'm so glad I brought this jumper. One of the Supras, that Supra you would have seen, blew up like right at the end. Oh, pulled off. That was loud. What a skid. Great.
Goodbye, motor.
I have a headache. It is so cold right now. My hands are frozen. It's just getting way too ridiculous now. That's pretty much GTR Festival 2021. So I hope you all enjoyed this footage. I couldn't do too many cinematics and stuff like that. We did catch up with Alex. Couldn't really get him on the camera because he was flat out with work. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed today. We've got maybe a meet on later tonight, which I might head to take the Evo out and just chill bang. It'll still be cold, so I might have to bring gloves this time or bring the heated pack because this is a heated windbreaker, so that'll be good. Heated puffer jacket. Remember, RSK is a family. Spread the word, and we'll see you in the next one. Ladies, guys.